Shall I start, sir?
Yes, start your presentation.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Chandni Pandya. Today I am present the Renaissance, the rebirth of science and culture. Paper number 105A, History of English Literature from 1350 to 1900. Next slide. Introduction. The Renaissance typically refers to a period in European history approximately between 1400 and 1600. Many historians assert that it started earlier to ended later, depending on the country. It bridges the period of the Middle Ages and modern history, and depending on the country, overlaps with the early modern Elizabeth and Restoration period. The Renaissance is most closely associated with Italy, where it began in the 14th century. Through countries such as Germany, England, and France went through many of the same culture changes and phenomena. Historical development. The 12th century Renaissance was especially influenced on the later Renaissance, said Wilde. Classical Latin texts and Greek science and philosophy began to be revived on a larger scale, and early vision of universities were established. Next, the 14th century plague, known as Black Death, is thought to have killed up to 16% of the population in part of Europe. This image from a fairly misillustrated manuscript of 1349 show plague victims began buried in the city of Tournai, now it was Belgium. The Black Death helped see the stage for the Renaissance. Wrote Robert S. Gottfried is the Black Death. Death of many prominent officials caused social and political unfavor is Florence, where the Renaissance is considered to have begun. The Medici family moved. Hello, am I audible,
Yes,
sir?
yeah, we can listen you. Yeah, continue. Yes.
Okay, the Medici family moved to Florence in the wake of the plague. The characteristic of this printing press, the demand for perfect reproduction of text and the renewed focus studying them helped trigger one of the biggest discoveries in the world of human history, printing with movable type. For me, this is the easiest, the single greatest development of the Renaissance and allow modern culture to develop. While told Leucens, the printing press was developed in Europe by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. It allowed Bibles, like secular books, printed music, and more to be made in larger amount of reach more people. Next, the intellectual movement. While said one of the most significant changes that occurred during the Renaissance, humanism as the method of thinking, this new outlook underpinned so much of the world then and now. Renaissance humanism looked to classical Greek and Roman texts to change contemporary thought, allowing for the mindest after Middle Ages. Through, Though many Renaissance humanities remained religious that believed God gave humans opportunities and it gave humanity duty to do best and most moral thing. That all are connect with each other. Next, art. Renaissance art was heavily influenced by classical art. Wrote Vivian Cox in a short history of the Italian Renaissance. Artistic tornado of Greek and Roman sculpture, painting, and decorative art for inspiration, and also because their techniques meshed with Renaissance humanities philosophy. Next, literature. Renaissance literature too was characterized by humanist themes and return to classical ideas of tragedy and comedy. According to the Bookline College English department, Shakespeare was especially Hamlet are good example of these themes like human agency, life, non-religious meaning, and the true nature of man embraced. And Hamlet is an educated Renaissance man. Next, religion. Humanism encouraged Europeans to question the role of the Roman Catholic Church during the Renaissance due to number of factors, including the Black Death, the rise of trade, the development of middle class, and papacy's temporary move from the Rome to Avignon. The Catholic Church influence was waning as the 15th century began. Next, thank you everyone. Here is my reference.
Yeah, you still need to work on your references, but fine. Next semester we will work, so you will get an idea about. Last one is good, Walter Petter. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
okay. You can, yeah, stop presenting. Yeah. Okay, so your Google Classroom performance is fairly well. Yes, 79 percentage you have. So you are far better than the classroom average, which is around 70. And so by and large, you have completed your work in due time also. So there is no pending work. Some late submissions are there, but I think in next semester you be careful that the late submissions are also not there.
Okay,
And your
sir.
presentations also were good, fairly good. Hard work also was there, and you presented well. Reading is there still, but I think in next semester you will be able to improve, and you will be able to talk orally or speak orally
Yes, sir.
rather than only reading. But it was still well prepared. Today's one also was very good, well prepared with the help of art, and images were also very significant in your presentations. So your performance is around very good, very good, and keep on doing the hard work. So slightly there will be an improvement also in next semester.
Okay, sir.